welcome back to Hot Rods World. Today, I know it's been a while, so today I'm actually gonna try to get this motor out. Went and got my cherry picker from my brother, and draining the fluids out of just water, so I'm draining it out now. So I'll show you the best way I can get it out. So we're gonna work on this. Like I say, we got a couple things to do, but like I say, hopefully everybody had a happy new year and everything's going well. Like I say, sorry for making a video so late. Well, been a while. Been working on stuff at work. So one of the things I want to do is get this parachute mount off, because it's actually in the way. It makes it really cramped in here. And then I went and picked this up from my brother, cherry picker. And I'm gonna get this parachute off. So that's the first thing I gotta do. So I'll make a quick video and we'll go from there. All right. One of the things I wanted to wait, I got this for Christmas and I've been waiting to make a video. So give me, I think this will help out. Give me a second. So what I see is TCI. So one of the things when I was looking over my program, one of the things that I missed is the electric shifter. Like when I looked at my my shift patterns in the 7531, they were all over the place. This right here I can set it at an RPM and consistently dial it in. You know, I wanted to shift this car at about 77 to 7800, and I looked at the race pack, well, not the race pack, but the 7531, and I was shifting anywhere from 72 to 78 to sometimes on the chip. I think this will be perfect. Like I say, I wanted to just, shouldn't be too hard. Like I say, just needs power, and go to the 7531, got a relay box. So I'll read through the instruction, but I just want to show you for the channel's sake of what I'm going to do for this upcoming race season. Another thing is I'm going to do a gear change. I actually had a set of 410s gears, so I'm going to put 410s in here and take the ones out. I think they're either 430s or 456s in there. I can't remember. 2-speed power glide, like we talked about before. So I'm gonna put 410s in there. Electric shifter. I'm not sure yet. When I drop the motor off, I'll talk to Handy about it and see if we can make any adjustments. But I think we'll be pretty good. Like I said, they'll at least get us back out here racing. I think the car has a lot of potential, and also he has a set of skills. That's one thing I want to do. I think I'm not sure how heavy the car is. I built it for Ultra Street, so it should be around 3,000 pounds with me sitting in there. One of the things I did notice is that the back, either the gear set or the axles, either axle tubes a bit or the gear set, is really tight in there, and it shouldn't push as hard. So between those three things, I think we'll find a little ET, but stay with me. I'm gonna make a quick, I'm put this video on fast play, how I get the car on stands, jack it up, get the motor out, and then I'll make a quick video. Then the next one probably will show me dropping the motor off, and that's kind of going through, because I think I got some internal damage to either the valve or the piston. I saw something shoot out the driver's side head, or passenger side header on the last pass. So I'm assuming there's some damage there. So when we get it cracked up, I'll make another video, but hang in there with me. We actually picked up this one. It's a 1 ton, so it's a little short. So normally what we have to do is, because the car is so high, to get the transmission out, normally I have to drop the transmission on the floor, lower the car back down, and then I can get it out. So we are looking at getting a 2-ton jack with a longer arm, but as you can see, I don't have much room between the garage door and there, so we'll make it work. We'll get it out. Like I say, it just takes a little more time than, you know, if I just had a big cherry picker, could pick it up. And motor plate 2 is one of the things that I don't have on this car. Like I say, it's just takes a little time. So Stay with me. I'll get us a quick video of the motor out, and we can go from there. Hang in there with me, and I'll return.